Rising fuel costs and strict emission regulations are squeezing industries more than ever. But what if there is a way to meet emission norms and cut your fuel cost without replacing your boiler and heavy investment? Steamax has a solution. With our Steam as a service model, you can switch to biomass effortlessly. No capex, no equipment worries, just instant saving. Here is how we can convert your oil or gas boiler to biomass in few simple steps. Converting your oil or gas boiler to biomass is simpler than you think. First, we will remove your old oil or gas burner from your boiler along with the ducting that is connected to the chimney. Then we install high efficient biomass combustor to your boiler. In the next step, to control the emission, the boiler is connected to a cyclone dust collector. The cyclone dust connector is then connected to the back filter to control more emissions, and then the back filter is connected to the ID fan. With these simpler steps, you can convert a gas or oil boiler to the biomass boiler. By switching to biomass, you can enjoy significant benefits. Up to 50% fuel cost saving as compared to oil or gas, compliance with emission regulation, and most importantly, no need to replace your existing boiler and no fuel handling worries. Switch today with our Steam as a service model. No need for a higher investment. Get in touch with our energy experts and get a more efficient, cleaner, and more economical solution.